All right, welcome back to the live trading session. It is Tuesday, August 18th. And in the session prep video, I said that I don't like these conditions too much because essentially everything is bearish. But we are inside 4-hour support, essentially, right? So the only thing I'm looking for is a repricing back into the hourly, maybe take out these relative equal highs here. And if we get really strong, we might look for something up here. If we get really weak, we might look for something down here. But for now, I'm only looking for London lunch highs, essentially. Session is going to open in 1 minute and 10 seconds. And the only thing that's left to assess is the opening range gap to see if we're limited in any direction. So let's see what we'll get. And the ES is also like more in a position where, because we're in major support, right? At the 4 CBCE, we tapped the daily BSC, so ES is also in a good position to mitigate higher into the 4 and hourly CBs and a lot of low resistance liquidity. So yeah, I would definitely prefer these longs over anything else today. So let's see. 5 seconds till market open. And we have, yes, that's what I expected. We have a strong bearish opening range gap, but it is super bearish, meaning the CE is up here, right? And the upper quadrant and lower quadrant is perfectly aligning with my target for the day, right? So that's really good. On top of that, we just got the Judas to the downside, so we took out data lows here essentially. So now I'm basically only looking for longs in here. That's the only thing I will look for today, I think. We'll see how it plays out. But now with that, what happened just now, I'm definitely content. So let's see. I really hope this will not move too fast up here, but we'll see. All right, let's see. I mean, technically I could already enter, but I don't know. It was a bit too quick for my liking. Damn. Let's check the 5 minute here real quick. Yeah, I probably should have entered. Fuck. Sometimes you have to be ready right from the get-go, right? It's crazy. It is definitely crazy. But let's see. Yeah, let's get in here. I'm gonna, let's see. CE here. Ah, shit, that could have gotten a lot better entry. Shit. Could have gotten the entry down here. Let's see if that was a dumb decision. Might be. Yeah, doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Okay, I'm out. Damn, Okay, that was fucking shitty. Damn, that's wild. Okay, but you know, 1 wick is not a good Judas, to be honest. It simply isn't. And I got lured in with the power here. That was a FOMO entry, to be honest with you. It was not good. Not proud about this one. But let's see if we can get a first AM here and then try a second time. Seconds. So this would be a valid Judas for me, but you know, we have these sell sides, so I'm also interested in shorts if we get really heavy. So we'll see if that is the case here. But that trade certainly was not good. Seconds. Let's see. Let's see if we'll get some power. All right, I like that. Let's see. This might be a good break even. Shit. See, we didn't invert the first AM. Now we'll see if that was yet again. But it had some good power. That's why I entered, right? But I need that inversion. Otherwise, it's not valid. Let's see if we can get that or if I have to leave again. Break-even point is clear. I also want to take out, let's say 2 here. This is not good, bro. Give me the inversion. This is not good. See, that's yet another early entry, which I shouldn't have taken, but sometimes I do take these because we have power, so I don't wait for the confirmation. You know, I have to take these sometimes because then otherwise I miss out on quite a lot of, you know, setups. But this is what can happen here, 100%. Right? That we simply don't get the inversion, and then it's not a valid setup. Let's see. I might leave here if we don't get the inversion now. Seconds. Come on. Give me a push up. No. Okay, I will be out down here. I don't want to entertain something like that. I really need to see the power up now. Otherwise, I'll leave. Come on. $15 seconds. Okay, we have the inversion. So now it's a valid setup for me. That's good. Now it's a valid setup. If we hit that point, I will maybe not go break even, but I will definitely cut the stop further. Maybe we retest the first AM, but I really want this to go now. We technically have this 15-minute Sibian here, which I don't like too much, but it should not be an issue because we have 4-hour support, right? Let's see if we can get that here. I hate this order making with trade of 8 on. This is annoying as shit. Come on, man. Show me some power. Okay, sell 4. Come on. Bro, these orders, I could flip the fuck out. It's crazy. Oh shit, we also have to change that one. Sell 4. Okay, we're break even. Really hope we're gonna keep going here. Let's see if we can get that here. Seven seconds, 5, 4. All right, we'll cut to half point. I want this to stay strong. Put this to 2, and then maybe if we tap this one, we can get rid of 1. Come on now. Okay, we still respect upper half. I want to see upper half being respected here. But the 50-minute is still not inverted, so it might just respect. And we're out. Dumb, bro. Unnecessary. What is that market? So annoying. It's crazy. Let's get rid of these. Let's see. Maybe we'll get a extreme strength setup. But that's wild. The market is just... Oh, yesterday as well. It was just bullshit. It's crazy. Yesterday I was lucky to get to break even, but here now lost. Definitely lost something, right? Yeah, 280. It's not that much, but still sucks. Okay, we retapped first AM. If we get extreme strength, I would try to re-enter. But this is just bullshit, bro. It's crazy. See that 15-minute candle here? It's wild. Market is in a really shitty condition. Okay, this is not extreme strength anymore for me here. We have these clean levels. These are really clean highs. We just tap below and then go for it. It sucks. Bro, it's crazy. Like, for people that are currently just, trying to learn trading, is crazy right now. It's genuinely crazy. This is, I don't know, last week was also really fucking difficult, if I remember correctly. I think Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday were really, really shit. Friday as well, and then Monday was bullshit. This is bullshit. That's wild to me. The first one was definitely not a good trade. I have to admit that, because we only had one wick, right? That's not a Judas swing. That's just a wick. I shouldn't have taken it. That was a FOMO entry, 100%. But the second trade, as soon as we got the inversion here, was definitely a valid setup, right? 100% clean Judas swing, inversion, boom, entry. And then we get 3 candles and then move all the way back down, even though we have clean buy side. We have an old daily high. Never mind, that's an old daily low. But, and we have that 4-hour support, right? That's the strong thing here. We have that 4-hour support and we look to mitigate, but we simply don't get that, right? So yeah, I don't like that market at all. Now we reclaimed the first AM to the downside. I will not short something like that. The 4-hour busy down here is already mitigated, so that's not a draw, and our draws are right below that. But I don't want to short through a 4-hour support, right? So I might be done here. Let's see the 10 a.m. close in 12 minutes. Because if we close below, then yes, I guess we're gonna go lower, but this is just crazy right now. I really don't like that. It was the same shit yesterday. Yeah, see that? It was the same shit. That's crazy. Really hope the market will be back to normal soon. It's wild. ES has also done nothing essentially. even though that also strong support took out sell side, SMT divergence, everything, right? Clean draws to the upside. It's just wild to me. I'm probably gonna see a lot of posts about that again today on Instagram. Probablemente. Bro, what is that market? What am I watching? It's wild. This is wild. But today is also, we have no news, but Tuesdays should be better. On Wednesday we'll have PM news, but also only the fake FOMC, and then Thursday orange folder. But that's a classic break-even day. Usually I don't take trades like that, so I will definitely learn from this mistake. Usually I only take trades like that, and that would have been a classic break-even to slight profit, which is okay. But I'm just pissed that the price action is like it is. It's just wild to me. It sucks.
See that you want, flip you.
Bro, this market is... Oh my god.
Wrong. The hottest planet in the solar system is not Venus. It's the sun. Please educate your child. Why?
Okay, now we're getting heavy. Again, I outlined these lows down here, right? So we do have relative equal lows, but you know, we also have that 4-hour support. So do you want to short through that? I personally wouldn't, right? And on the other hand, I'll show you ES has already taken out all of these lows here, right? We have mitigated into the 4-hour BCCE. Yes, obviously we could look for the daily CE, but we are overextended as shit, you know, even on the higher time frame. So no, this is no. I just no. I would not trade that. We now have an SMT bottom. Currently, but I'm not even sure if I should trade the inversion of the first AM because it has been disrespected so much here. That's just manipulation for me, right? It's crazy. 50, 25. So we have a 5-minute here. Let's see if we close 10 AM below these gaps, these 4-hour BISIs. 2 minutes. I'll wait for 10 AM and then maybe a few more minutes, but then I'm done. And I already told you today would have been a break-even day because this trade is, I should not have taken that trade. That was a pure FOMO entry. A wick is not a Judas swing. I got lured into that. And yeah, that was just, you know, not good. But this one was definitely a valid trade here. 100%. seconds. Okay, it seems like we are going to invert the 4-hour gaps here. And now we have this next 4-hour gap. Yep, we closed. SMT bottom still active, bro. Look at it. Yes. What is that? We disrespect. It's crazy. It is absolutely crazy. I don't think, and I've been trading for almost 4 years now, I don't think I have ever seen that bad of a price action consecutively, over weeks, sometimes even months. Like the past few months were just shit in general. Obviously we had a few gems in there, but just in general, most of the days, that's crazy. There's a lot of manipulation going on in the market, right? But that's what we have. That's what risk management is for, right? That is exactly what risk management is for. Okay, yeah, I think I'm done actually. I'm done for the day. I had my 2 tries. Even though it's basically break even, I'm done. I don't like how this looks, and I'll be back tomorrow. So hope you didn't get burnt here as I did, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.